people say, well, I'm still young, I'm still living. Isn't it too early? If it's not too early, why? And when do I start writing? What's the right time? And I say, hang on a minute. Your 30s and 40s actually form the best time frame for your initial life history. You want to include controversial decisions. Is there something people look at you and say, my goodness, why did she make this decision 10 years ago? It's not often that we have a chance to revisit things we decided to do that we may not have done if we had a chance to do it again. I know in my 20s, there are things I did. I look back and I'm like, if I had to choose, I wouldn't do that now. And obviously I was dealing with immaturity, you know? And then there are things I did, I'm like, I didn't like it then, but in retrospect, it actually was a deal breaker for me. I find myself now as a grown, fully mature adult asking my father questions like, when we were little, why did you guys do that? Because it doesn't make sense to me. And he would explain. He'd be like, you know, I was barely 33 when I had to make that decision, you know? And I'm like, I made my share of mistakes in my 30s. So I'm getting a better understanding of how my 33-year-old father made a decision. Perhaps that was not the best, but he just wasn't very experienced at the time.